wish I could. Look. I said you had me at hello. I know I don't let it show. Wish I could, but I don't. I know life has made me cold. I know we be making gold. I know we be making dough. I know I don't like them hoes. I know all I need your soul. Said you had me at hello. I know I don't let it show. Wish I could, but I don't. I know life has made me cold. I know I be making gold. I know I be making dough. I know I don't like them hoes. I know all I need your soul. All I need is the weed, I'm so up, yeah. All I want is your heart and your love, yeah. All I need is this beat with a blunt, yeah. Loving you so hard can really tear a young boy up. I said you had me at hello when I was at a low. I'm scared you'll say goodbye. I'm so scared to really know what's on the other side. The last time our eyes closed, I don't wanna die unless I fly beside your soul. I know times are hard, but pressure makes a diamond. Your eyes, they tear me apart, cause you know you the finest. I got a good heart, it's just tough to find it. I wanna play my part, but the devil keeps reminding that I ain't perfect, I ain't worth it, you gon' leave me hurting. I keep running, getting blunted, all I see's the surface. Way too fucking insecure, the immaturest person. Feed my soul to lift this curse, I'm burning from these burdens. Keep it going. At me, yeah, hello, I know I don't let it show. I said you had me at hello. I know I don't let it show. Wish I could, but I don't. I know life has made me cold. I know we be making gold. I know we be making dough. I know I don't like them hoes. I know all I need your soul. Said you had me at hello. I know I don't let it show. Wish I could, but I don't. I know life has made me cold. I know I be making gold. I know I be making dough. I know I don't like them hoes. I know all I need your soul. All I need is the weed, I'm so up, yeah. All I want is your heart and your love, yeah. All I need is this beat with a blunt, yeah. Loving you so hard can really tear a young boy up, yeah. Say my name, God, I'm so afraid. I remember long nights, cause I couldn't change. I remember long fights, I remember shame. Will they understand my vision or just steal my pain? After seeing new conditions, will I really change? After all these new commitments, can I stay the same? After all that bullshit, all the fake friends, will this chip on my shoulder handle weight then? Questions in my phone, the list goes on and on. Was I chosen for the throne or just chosen to be gone? Just another fake rapper trying to lie and make chatter, trying to cook a new way baked, call it cake batter. Pop another Zan, do it for the gram. Make these bitches dance, just go play your hand. Gotta get them bands in advance. I don't play that scam shit, I got a fam. I wanna make them proud for being rich off who I am. That's a man, that's a fucking man, trying to make a plan to get past all this fucking trash and all these fucking scams. It's a rap, I know where I stand, I know where I'm at. Matter of fact, now my wallet's fat and all I see's is stack. That's it, homie. That ain't enough. No, that ain't enough.